friends, welcome to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to install WordPress on VestaCP cPanel. Right? In the first video part, I have already shown you that how to install the Vesta cPanel on Ubuntu 18 version. Right? So right now, this is the part 2 of the video. I will show you how to configure, how to install WordPress on VestaCP. Right? So here is my server, right? So you just need to the domain name for it also, right? So I have already created a domain, but this time I will change the name of the domain, right? it, uh, so I will change the Joomla to WordPress, right? This domain name is vestacp1.dns in dns.net is for my VestaCP panel access, and I have created this second domain, and I have going to create the second domain uh, for our WordPress site, right? So I I just need a domain name for it, right? So uh, create a host name. So it will be WordPress one, right? And WordPress one. This is my live IP address, right? And create a name. Now 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 I have a two host name. One name I will use for Vista CP panel access, and one for is my WordPress WordPress domain, right? WordPress one dot net. So let's go to the server side, right? Here you need to create a website on Vista cPanel first. Let's log in into the Vista cPanel, right? Here you need to create the domain name for it, right? Go to the domain section, right? Go to the web and then create a plus button. Click on the plus button, right? Here you need to create the WordPress 1.dns.net. That I have already created this site on the domain no IP no IP domain, right? So WordPress 1.dns.net is our new domain, right? Along with our live IP address. And here you need to click on the add button. Now our domain is created successfully. Go to the web, and here you can see that WordPress 1.dns is created successfully. Here you need to, when you press on the website, it will show you the WordPress 1.dns.net, right? So install the WordPress on this website, right? So go to the site WordPress dot WordPress dot org. It's WordPress zip, right? You need to copy the WordPress zip, copy the link of the WordPress zip, right? Copy the WordPress link, right? Here you need to go to the directory of the directory of this WordPress Vista cPanel. Go to the home admin web, right? And here you can see that WordPress 1, WordPress CD WordPress 1, and go to the public HTML. Here you need to remove the -r index.html and review.html, right? And now you need to paste the link wget along with the the address link. Now it's downloading the WordPress zip file. You can see that it's download the unzip the zip file of the WordPress. Go to the WordPress site, copy, move or copy all the directory to the root of the public HTML. Home, admin, web, WordPress, and the public HTML. Right now, remove the WordPress folder. Right. So now we will enter our name, WordPress domain. Right. So you need to enter the name WordPress dot DNS WordPress 1. So it will land the WordPress page, right? You can see that you are landing in the WordPress page, right? So let's go here. It will asking the database name for WordPress 1 or DNS website. You need to create a database as well, right? So go to the VestaCP panel, and here you need to create the DB. Here you need to in the DB section you need to create a DB, right? So DB name is WordPress, and along with the password. So it will create the admin underscore WordPress and admin underscore WordPress in the database and username of the database. You need to create the password, right, and add on that, right? So database is created now. You can also log in it via VestaCP PHP right? You can see that it will working or not. Admin underscore WordPress and along with the given password. So you can see that you can log in into the VestaCP panel PHP right? So our database is working fine. Now you need to add that particular name into the WordPress section, right? WordPress along with the password and click submit. Error establishing database connection. Just a minute, so right. I need to add admin before the WordPress, right? So the database name is and admin underscore WordPress. So I'm just typing the WordPress, right? So that's why it's not working. So now it should be work. Submit, and you can see that uh, it successfully accept my database password. Run the installation. So type your site name. My site name is WordPress1.indns.net. My username is Shadad. It's asking the Vista cPanel admin panel, right? It's as it is the credential of the WordPress admin panel. So enter the email and now install the WordPress. So you can see that WordPress has been installed on that particular website, right? You need to log in into it, given the name, right, and log in it. I will show you in front of my front of this WordPress 1.bns.net/wpf. You can see that the WordPress is working fine on that particular website, right? So I have successfully installed the WordPress on against my this website, right? So now further we will upload the some templates, right? And I will show you the how the website is working after the uploaded template, right? So this is our task, so that we in this part we will I will show you that. So we have successfully installed the WordPress, right? So in the next video, I will show you how to change the theme and uh, how to access the theme, to put the how to change the SSL, right? So this is the my WordPress is working fine on that particular website, right? So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.